System errors causing the Utility Library DLL crashes in Localized application utility. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's troubleshoot the gap and automate the repair. Before we walk through the utility library troubleshooting, you can access a utility focused on providing a clean system environment. This is the utility library, a generic utility library. It provides unmanaged helper routines for string manipulation, memory allocation, and file input-output. It manages the orchestration of common data link manifests for proprietary software suites. Since we've identified what's missing, let's try the official recovery method. The utility library, DLL library, is a critical dependency of the Localized application utility framework, and the most effective fix is to reinstall the specific program where you received the error to force a fresh deployment of the internal file. When a fresh installer fails to clear the error, it typically points toward a deeper conflict within the Windows execution layer. A simple restart can resolve file-in-use errors that mimic a missing utility library message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. Following the restart, if the diagnostic status remains unchanged, please execute the commands in Step 3. If you need to pause the video to review the syntax, please do. If the restart didn't fix the library error, we need to manually repair the specific C++ redistributable package. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Beyond the repair, maintaining a secure workstation requires avoiding a few common technical mistakes. A quick safety warning: never download files like Utility Library DLL from unofficial websites. These files are often outdated or bundled with malware that can compromise your personal data and system security. Using a professional maintenance utility is a proactive step toward keeping your system state healthy and your software synchronized. If responsiveness issues occur, the system resource below references configuration considerations for Utility Library. I'm Sophie Chen. If we've successfully stabilized your environment and resolved Utility Library error, please subscribe and join our community of technical professionals.